Good morning, super secret bricks here to review all the LEGO Atlantis sets. Today we're having a look at the set 7984 Deep Sea Raider, released in 2011 during the third wave. It has 256 parts and 2 characters. This version of the Dr. Brains character is exclusive to this set. Here's his only face. The Atlantis crew all share the same. Light bluish grey helmet, trans yellow visor, dark bluish grey Atlantis crew torso with yellow arms and black hands, light bluish grey hip and dark bluish grey Atlantis crew legs, and yellow flippers. Included as an Atlantis crew accessory is a flat silver harpoon. It is worth noting that Brains was the leader of the 2009 and 2010 Power Miners theme. Since he's completed his mission there, he's now been recruited by the divers as an excavation expert to dig and drill through the ruins. The Hammerhead Guardian comes in one other set. On top of its terrifying printed trans-red head, it wears a soft rubber hammerhead shark headgear printed with Atlantean patterns. Its dark bluish grey torso and legs are also printed. One of the accessories included is the pearl gold trident, which is made with a soft plastic. There are 2 mold variations for these parts, one with a circle at the base of the sprongs, and this one, which is only thought to come in early Atlantis sets. The Deep Sea Raider is mainly red with yellow accents and trans-yellow portholes. It is 17 studs long, 10 studs wide, not counting the thrusters, and about 5 bricks tall. The cockpit is reinforced with a brick-built iron curtain that can be opened up and down. It has a round tile stickered with the Atlantis Divers Crew logo, a trident, and note the use of 2 black hot dogs in the iron curtain. The trans-yellow canopy can be opened up, and inside there's a room for only 1 minifig that can use 2 levers to control the sub. There's also a 2 stud wide and 2 brick tall gap allowing the pilot to access the cargo and be flooded with deep ocean water and pressure. Good thing they're wearing a full diving suit. The sides of the cockpit are stickered with the set reference. Behind the cockpit, there's a boat mast with a trans-grain stud on the left and a trans-red one on the right. The boat mast is also surrounded by trans-yellow headlights that can be angled up and down. The sub has an arm on the left, complete with shoulder and wrist articulation. It has a danger yellow and black stripe sticker with H2O22 written on it. The hand only has 2 fingers and a thumb. It has 2 stickers, one with a mermaid pattern on it, and a danger yellow and black stripe one with crushing danger written on it. The sub also has a right arm with only a shoulder articulation. It is equipped with a drill that can be activated using a knob. And it has another denture yellow and black stripe sticker. At the back, on each side, there's a thruster with a flat silver 7-bladed propeller and a flick-fire missile to show that the deep-sea raider is no joke. It is worth noting that the thrusters are also encased in a black roll cage, a part that was predominantly used in the Power Miners theme. The rear hatch of the sub is detailed with trans-yellow portholes and 2x4 tiles stickered with panel patterns. It can actually be lifted to give access to the interior, which is big enough to store a crate where diving equipment can be stored. Inside the hatch is also found a mini version of the Deep-Sea Raider. The mini sub is 2 studs wide, 4 studs long and almost 2 bricks high. It shares the same features as the big one, with a trans-yellow canopy, 2 articulated arms, with the right one being able to grab onto things, and the left one being able to drill through things. It even has 2 articulated thrusters and an antenna. Included in the set is a 7 bricks tall complete column on a 6x4 plate. It has some kelp and a dark red crab. It is worth noting that the Lego.com page for that set described the column as being a flexible falling pillar, which it is not. Oh, and it also refers to the crab as a lobster. Laid in front of the column is a pearl gold chest filled with a trans-clear jewel, a trans-dark blue one, a trans-red one, and a speckled black and gold breastplate. On the instruction book, we can see Dr. Brain piloting the Deep-Sea Raider, and with it grabbing the column, not the treasure, and also firing a missile at the poor Hammerhead Guardian. The mini-sub is deployed, and in the background we can see the city of Atlantis. At the end of the instructions, there's a double page showing all 5 sets of the 3rd wave. In my opinion, this is a good set. It introduces a character from another theme, which helps establish a common universe, which I personally appreciate. The inclusion of the Hammerhead Guardian is also a big plus to me, as I really like these special characters with their specific molded headgears. By far my favorite part of the set is the ruins. We get here a complete column, which is fantastic. I'm always happy to get more precious parts, such as the jewels, and I'm really excited to get a crab. This might seem trivial, but as a kid, I've always valued any molded animals. I can't say I'm too impressed with the submarine, however. Perhaps it's the new red and yellow color scheme that doesn't do it for me? But, on the plus side, I like having a drone that's a miniature version of the vehicle. And the cargo space is put to good use with a crate to store the character accessories. Another thing that bugs me is that out of the 5 sets from this wave, this is the biggest vehicle. Yet, it only sits one minifig. I would have preferred a vehicle able to transport more people. But maybe I'm too harsh on this set. Let me know what you think in the comments. That's it for the review. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you did. I release new content every Wednesdays and sometimes on Saturdays. So click the subscribe button if you want to get notified. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.